Today I'm going to continue with the major arcana cards, and let's complete the cards first. So the first card that we're going to do right now is card number 13. It's called the Death card. Okay, it's one of the most dreaded cards of the entire tarot deck. Okay, dreaded, I mean that people see the image and they get ideas about it. So you have to understand it in a deeper concept. Now, what is the Death card? Let's see. Death card is number 13, and you will see one horse. Okay, he's coming from the left side, and he is basically the messenger of ending. Okay, messenger of ending. It's called death because death is something that we know of as the ending of the human life. Okay, so it's the similar thing here. Also, death means the end or the closure of a relationship or a career. But we have to be slightly spiritual here because, as it is written in the Bhagavad Gita, it is the body, the physical self that dies, and the soul or the Atma only takes another shape. Okay, so life as we know it ends, but your soul is much bigger than this body, and therefore it is going to take another avatar or take another form, and then it's going to do new karmas. Okay, so that is the central thinking of this card, because when this card comes, you will definitely have a painful loss. Or if it comes in the future, it means you are heading towards that kind of a closure. Because when the death card comes, uh, something has reached its, please write this word, that something has reached its expiry date. Means like it is destined, okay, because it's a major arcana card, and then it's a very strong major arcana card. Okay, so it means that somewhere this ending is destined to happen. So we have to accept it as much as possible, and we have to move on. So ये death card hai, but death card is not the ending, because if you see here in the card, you will see many symbols of hope. Symbols of hope meaning you can see the sun rising on the horizon. Okay, just look at this picture carefully. You will see all these things here. See, the sun is here, okay, on the horizon. You will see two little children who are at the foot of this horse, right? And the horse was about to trample on them, but it has stopped. Okay, so the foot has been taken back. Means that they were going to be destroyed, or some harm was going to come to them, but it has stopped. Which means that it is not the complete ending, because children or a child in tarot always means rebirth, or a second chance at life, or a second chance at whatever has come to an end. Okay, you are being given a second chance to reinvent yourself. So basically, you will take this card as the transformation card. Okay, what's important here is the transformation word, parivartan. There is a parivartan, there is a very big change happening in your life. There is a drastic need to change. And please understand, the need word is important. That means अभी वो पुराना वाला system नहीं चलेगा, पुराना रिश्ता, पुरानी नौकरी, पुराना business जो है वो अब नहीं रहेगा. So you need to think about the future very practically, and you need to pick yourself up, and you need to rebuild your life. Okay, so this is a loss card, and always after the death card you have to see the supplementary cards. Okay, like after this loss, what is happening? Has the person been able to get up, and has the person been able to move on in life or not? Okay, when this card comes, also there is a need to apologize to somebody. Apologize, maafi mangi. Everybody mute your mics. Amit Khandelwal, mute your mic.
Savita.
Okay, so health problem, this is not a good card because it shows that the health problem might worsen. Health problem and financial problems can worsen if the problem is already present. It can become worse, more severe, but also it shows that if the next card is good, it's talking about a revival, then things will also move towards a positive direction. Okay, otherwise everything you will see, all the colors and all here, they do talk about gloom, sadness, despair. Okay, it's there. But again, the horse is white, so white horse indicates a second chance, optimism, and purity of the soul. Okay, so we are talking about the soul language here. So this is the purity of the soul, that the soul can take a another formation. Okay, then we come to the next card, 14 number temperance card. Now, after so much death, devastation, your life has been through a difficult period. So now we get another card which is going to balance things out for you. Temperance card. Temperance literally means moderation, middle way. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे जो आपका central core message रहेगा, that will be the middle path. That means middle path. Now, this card is a very peaceful, harmonious, successful energy. Best thing about it is peace, lot of peace, happiness, joy, feeling of bliss in life. Angel blessings are there in this card. Okay, very placid, very beautiful looking card also. If you see, there's a angel standing here, and she's carefully measuring something between two cups. Okay, now let's just focus on the symbols and the icons of this card. Firstly, it's telling you that it is a time to maintain balance in life. Balance. Okay, the key word, core word here is balance. आपको जीवन में संतुलन लाने की जरूरत है. अगर आपका जीवन कहीं पर lopsided हो रहा है, या आप you are not at peace because you feel that I am being stretched too much in one direction, it's time to bring the balance back. And what she's doing, pouring between the two vessels, she's trying between two activities of her life to balance her responsibilities or what gives her pleasure. Okay, so she is basically finding her own point of perfection or own point of balance, something which makes her feel anchored, rooted, confident. Yes, I am in control of my life. Okay, so this could be a situation which is demanding that you should be in control of your life. Balance out your things, balance out your various activities or your family dynamics or your workplace dynamics, whatever needs to be addressed, or your financial position, whatever it is. Balance lao life के अंदर. ठीक है? कोई भी चीज ऐसा नहीं कि you are doing something in excess and you are totally neglecting the other side. Don't do that. And it also advises you that maybe you are working too much. Some people, they work too much, so it's telling them to play. And if you are just too much of a carefree person, it's also asking you to be responsible and take care of work assignments. Okay, so it says that balance is achieved in life when we are participating in different aspects of life. Like one should have friends also, one should have love also, one should have money also, one should try out different hobbies also, everything. You know, you've taken birth, you should try out life in all its flavors. Okay, so it encourages you actually. It says that life में बहुत सारे रंग है, सारे रंगों को चख के देखिए. It's a very poetic kind of a card, and it tells you कि there's lots to experience in life. And if you do that, then your life will grow upwards. See here, you see this triangle on the heart. Okay, so heart means heart is at peace, it is in balance, and it is growing upwards. So again, heart chakra, it talks about the heart chakra being balanced, and when the heart chakra is balanced, you are at peace, or you are somewhere in all the different activities of life, you're following the middle path. You're not too attached to something and not too separated from something. You're following the middle path in everything. Then in that case, you can attain the level of a human angel. Angel kya hota hai na? Angel is at bliss all the time, flying all the time. So you can also fly in life all the time. You can be on wings, you can feel lighthearted all the time. So it's encouraging you to move towards that state. And in a situation of relationships or interpersonal behaviors, it's a very strong message to be diplomatic and silent. Okay, it has a special message: diplomacy and silence and tactful behavior. Do not lose your temper. Do not lose your temper. Okay, and as a yes or no card or success card, It's a very positive, very glorious card. It says yes, definitely, because you will see the rising sun here. Angel wings are there. Then this angel has this beautiful halo around their head. You can see the lilies which are blooming in the garden. So all the signs are showing vitality, growth, colors. Spring is in full bloom, and so will your life be.